Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on TikTok, but this is going to be the easy way. Specifically, you're going to learn how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok. I'm going to teach you how to earn commissions fast, how this can be set up in just a few minutes, and you don't even have to show your face for some of these methods that I'm going to teach you inside of today's video. You're going to learn 3 different affiliate marketing strategies on TikTok. These are going to be 3 different affiliate marketing products, as well as 3 different affiliate marketing marketplaces. So you can pick and choose which ones you want to promote, and it's going to lead to higher commissions as well as easy approval for these affiliate marketing companies. And just to show you guys that this does work, these are some screenshots of my own income statements that I have made just by using traffic on TikTok. So I know these strategies work, a ton of people are using them, and I'm going to show you how to set all these up step by step. So affiliate marketing on TikTok goes like this. We're taking free traffic from our TikTok pages that we will create. We're going to take that traffic, send it to a landing page, and that's going to be like a Linktree account, and I'm going to show you how to set that up all step by step. And then you send that traffic to an affiliate marketing product. Every single time somebody checks out using your affiliate link, you're going to get a commission. Method number 1 for making money on TikTok with affiliate marketing is going to be using ClickBank and promoting ClickBank products on TikTok without ever showing your face. So the first step for this method is that you have to sign up for a free ClickBank account. It's really easy. All you have to do is just go to clickbank.com, click on Start Here, fill out their survey, put in your email address, and then you have a free ClickBank account. Once you have signed into ClickBank, go ahead and click on the marketplace icon on the left here. That's going to open up the ClickBank marketplace, and this is where we're going to find our product that we will be promoting on TikTok. Scroll down on the ClickBank marketplace all the way down to the spirituality niche, and then we want to do the soulmate sketch right here. This is the top selling product on TikTok right now when it comes to ClickBank offers. So we want to be promoting this one right here because so many other accounts are having success with this product. So click on the promote button right here, type in your account nickname, keep it on default, and then hit create hop link. That's going to give you your unique affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link and then just paste it in the browser because I want to show you what this looks like. This is the soulmate sketch right here. Basically, people pay to have professional artists draw these types of pictures right here, and this sells really well on TikTok right now, and it doesn't really take a lot of skill to create these types of TikTok accounts, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. But this is what it looks like. If somebody clicks on yes, I want this, then they have to answer this questionnaire right here, and then they check out. On average, you can expect to make about $18.82 per conversion, but you can also make up to $7.64 on a recurring commission. So that means you can make passive income through this method without having to get more clients and more sales through this affiliate marketing program. Now we're going to be creating accounts just like the one you see here by 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. All they do is they create simple quote videos onto TikTok and they upload them, and as you can see, they get quite a few views. This one right here had 118,000 views. These ones have 63,000, 21,000, 24,000. So you get a lot of views by creating these types of videos, and they're really simple to create. You could actually create the whole thing inside of TikTok, but I'm going to show you how to get these background videos that they use by using Canva. And if we click on their link inside of their bio and we open it up, that's going to take us to a beacons page. And at the top here, you can see that they are promoting Soulmate Sketch. The same product that I just showed you is working really well right now on TikTok. So how do we create these videos? Well, you could just do them simply inside of the TikTok app, or you could head over to canva.com. Once you're on canva.com, just hit on create a design, and we want to do a TikTok video. Open up the TikTok video template, go over here to the elements section, click here and search for any kind of video, and we want to try to match the videos that 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗧 is using. So this one right here is probably some incense. So we could go back over to Canva and we could type in incense. Click on the videos tab and we could take any of these videos, especially if you have the pro Canva account. You could use all these different types of videos inside of your TikTok video. So I like this one right here. So what I'm going to do is just drag this over, let it fill up the TikTok video, and as you can see, it plays in the background, and that's exactly what we're looking for this type of video for TikTok. Then you just hit the share button, click on download, and download that directly to your desktop, where you could transfer it to your phone and then upload it to your TikTok account as a background video. And then all you have to do is just add some simple text to that video. And I would try to copy the text that people like Manifestation86 uses, because this text is already known to go viral. And this account right here is already making tons of sales on TikTok. So you want to mimic what people are succeeding with. So I would use different background videos, but I would do similar text because you want to have that virality so that you get more affiliate sales. So now that you know how to create these types of videos on TikTok, it is time to create our landing page by using Linktree. Linktree is 100% free, and it is a landing page software that allows you to design a landing page to upload that to your TikTok bio. So just click on sign up for free, and we're going to create a Linktree account. This is what a basic Linktree page looks like, and in order to actually create our affiliate link on this page, what we have to do is we have to cloak that affiliate link by using 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗦 software. The reason that we have to do that is because if I directly plugged in a ClickBank affiliate link to this Soulmate Sketch tab here on my Linktree, Linktree would say that we don't like this URL, it's unsafe, so we have to mask it by using 𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗢. Head over to bit.ly.com, and then all you have to do is just simply create a new link. It is absolutely free. Click on link, plug in your affiliate link to this section, and hit create at the bottom, and that's going to give you your bit.ly link. Now that you have your bit.ly link, we're going to go back over to Linktree and plug that in to our Linktree tab, and now we have a link that will show up on our Linktree. Now just copy your Linktree address and make sure to put that into a notepad so that later on you can add it to your TikTok account once you hit 1,000 followers. And that is how you do the first method of affiliate marketing on TikTok. You just create these kinds of videos and upload them to your channel. Once you hit 1,000 followers, then you can upload your link to your bio and direct people to that link. And then in the end, you're going to start making commissions off of that affiliate marketing program. Method number 2 for making money on TikTok using affiliate marketing is going to be by promoting make money online products. Now this works best when you can put your face on camera. So I recommend putting your face on camera and creating a personal brand like you see by Josh Smith, the 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗢𝗦. He puts his face on camera and he actually makes a ton of money by promoting one specific product on TikTok, and that product is called Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is an online education system that teaches you digital marketing. And all you have to do is just promote what is called the 15-day Business Builder Challenge on Legendary Marketer, and that's how you get people into the Legendary Marketer system. And on the back end of the Legendary Marketer affiliate marketing program, they have people who are dedicated as a sales team to make high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions for you on your behalf. So every single time somebody signs up and joins the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, you have the opportunity to make affiliate marketing commissions that are over $1,000 because of that sales team. And that's why I recommend promoting this product, because so many people have found success promoting Legendary Marketer on TikTok. So in order to join Legendary Marketer, all you have to do is just simply take the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. I will go ahead and leave that down below this video. They have everything built out inside of their dashboard, so all you have to do is just head over to the affiliate link section, copy your affiliate link here, and promote that on different social media channels like TikTok. But I would recommend using Linktree once again to build out a separate Linktree specifically for promoting Legendary Marketer on TikTok. Now the types of videos that you want to create are going to be ones that are heavy on text and that make people curious of what you have inside of your bio. So talk a lot about leaving your 9-to-5, talk a lot about affiliate marketing and digital marketing and side hustles. There's a lot of different topics that you can discuss, but having a bunch of text on screen and making people curious about what you're offering is going to be the best way to convert people. So that is method number 2 for creating income through affiliate marketing on TikTok. That is one of my favorite ways to make money on TikTok, and I recommend that everybody does this method because creating a personal brand is going to go a long ways for building a substantial long-term online business. Method number 3 for making money on TikTok is by creating short videos that promote Amazon products. As you can see here, Mick Xenon does this, and he has over 3 million followers and 117 million likes on his videos. So he gets a lot of attention by creating these videos, and he uses the hashtag hashtag Amazon finds to make his videos go viral. So all you have to do is just promote these different Amazon products in your videos, as you can see he does here, and then you just tell people that the links are going to be in your bio. This is one of my favorite ways to make money on TikTok because it's simple. All you have to do is just review products, and people actually start emailing you and sending you products. I actually just started doing this myself. As you can see, I have a few videos that have had over 100,000 views on TikTok, and I have 344 followers right now, and I'm actually promoting my Amazon storefront using this method. I typically make 15-second videos talking about a single product on Amazon, and I make really simple videos, and my videos are all really straightforward, and they just mention the features of the different products that I'm promoting inside that video, and that's how I was able to get views on these videos. But this method does work. I have been testing it, and I've been seeing some earnings on Amazon through this method. To do this method, you do need to get a hold of products, so I would start with products around your house, and then I would move on to purchasing products and reinvesting in your business, ordering best-selling products on Amazon and seeing what other accounts are promoting on Amazon and seeing what other accounts are promoting on TikTok, using their structures of their videos to recreate those videos. And then you should start seeing some of your videos go viral on TikTok, and that's going to lead to more Amazon affiliate marketing commissions. And that is how you do method number 3 for making money on TikTok, which is Amazon affiliate marketing by using Amazon Find videos. So now that you have those 3 different methods for making money on TikTok, all by using affiliate marketing, I recommend checking out the 15-second free leads program. This is the program that I took at the beginning of my TikTok journey, and it only cost $1. And this is going to teach you how to go viral on TikTok. Some of these people have seen over 300,000 views in just their first week on TikTok. So if you want to learn how to build a TikTok account, promote products like I showed you inside of this video, and build a long-term and lasting online business, then I recommend checking out the 15-second free leads program. It's only $1, and you're going to get a lot of good information on how to build a TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. And if you're interested in seeing more videos by me, make sure to check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David, and I create content all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and different kinds of side hustles. So if you're into that kind of thing, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you guys inside of my next video.